Introducing Ember Ceramic Mug. Reviews by Smart Choice. Hot beverages like coffee, cocoa, and tea are obviously meant to be enjoyed when the beverage is hot. But if you don't chug your mug of Joe minutes after pouring the cuppa, your hot beverage quickly becomes lukewarm. I usually get up at least twice to reheat my mug of tea in the microwave before I've consumed it. There has to be a better way to keep your drink at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop, right? Ember thinks they have solved this problem, so I ordered one of their Ember mugs and am here to share my experience with it. What is it? The Ember mug is an 8-ounce mug that has a built-in heating element that will keep the contents of the mug at the right temperature for your beverage. Design and features. The Ember mug is not ordinary white ceramic coffee cup. But the Ember mug is actually made of stainless steel with a FDA food-grade ceramic reinforced coating. The bottom of the mug reveals a non-slip base, a power button, and gold rings. The rings are electrical contacts that connect to the saucer, which is used to recharge the mug's built-in rechargeable battery. Connecting the included AC adapter to the saucer and then setting the Ember mug on top will cause the status LED on the base of the mug to glow red to indicate that the mug's batteries are recharging. After about an hour and a half, the mug's battery is completely charged and the status LED glows green. Once fully charged, you're ready to start using the Ember mug. However, you might want to wash it first. But only wash it by hand because it's not dishwasher safe due to the electrical components inside. The saucer should only be wiped clean and not submerged in water. To use the Ember mug, all you have to do is pour in your hot beverage and enjoy. By default, the mug will keep the beverage at a temp of 130 degrees Fahrenheit from full to the last sip. If you want to customize the temperature, you will need to install the iOS or Android Ember app and pair the mug with your mobile device. The app has temperature presets that you can choose for different beverages, or you can choose any temperature from a minimum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out links in the description below for more details on Ember Ceramic.